Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that spike token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, spike is a meme coin, a type of cryptocurrency whose value is primarily driven by community sentiment and internet culture rather than underlying technological utility. Community driven assets, its identity and value are largely shaped by its holder community and online narrative. High volatility profile. The coin exhibits the characteristic extreme price swings common to speculative meme assets. Cultural token. It functions more as a digital cultural token tied to its online persona than as a platform for decentralized applications. Spike token total supply is 999.99 million and circulating supply is also 999.99 million Spike token. Spike token is listed on Bilexi, Metara Video and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.